Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
Here we are in mid-August. The good news is that it's peak harvest season, and we've been picking lots of peppers. The less good news is that it hasn't rained in almost 2 weeks, and it's been hot and sticky for days. We've been forced to water the potted plants every day, as they just can't retain enough water in this heat. But we do what we have to. Today, I want to show you our most recent harvest, stabilize some leaning plants, and dehydrate some peppers. Let's get started.
Welcome to the ripening.
Check out our harvest from last Sunday, our largest of the season so far. Carolina Reapers are finally starting to ripen in significant numbers. A complete picking of ripe fruit can take hours, especially because we keep track of the various varieties picked and don't just dump them all in the same bucket. But it's a welcome problem to have. This Carolina Reaper is leaning way too much. Let's right it and secure with a plant support. That's much better. Today, I want to show you why it's important to keep your plants from falling over. Look at this new mix Vaquero. This is a very productive jalapeno variety that's got a lot more heat and flavor than what you can buy in the supermarket these days. But obviously, it's not doing so well. It was so heavy with fruit that it fell over, and it's not going to survive.
Great job. Sorry I failed you and let you fall over.
We'll give it a proper composting, and of course, harvest all its peppers. I didn't shoot this from a great angle, but trust me, this 7-pot white has a serious gangsta lean. It also gets a wire support. Time to get all the plants stabilized, and I'm on it. We did an episode back in April where we showed all the hot peppers from last season that were still in our freezer. Since then, we've used quite a few of them to make hot sauces and 7-pot paste, but we still have quite a few left, especially the medium hot varieties that we don't use quite as much. Now, we need freezer space for this year's crop. These peppers are still good, and we're not ones to waste food. So we're going to take last year's medium hot peppers and dehydrate them. We have a 4-tray Snackmaster electric dehydrator that we've had for many years. We slice the peppers in half and arrange them upright on the tray so we don't lose too many of the seeds. It's important not to let them overlap or they won't dry evenly. Snackmaster dehydrators are still available from Amazon, and we'll have a link in the description if you'd like to purchase one. They're not just for peppers, of course. In addition to drying fruits and vegetables, you can use them to make other snacks, including jerky or fruit roll-ups. I think I saw a Troom Troom video where they use these to make edible makeup, but I might have dreamed that. If you dry these inside the house, the pepper gas the dehydration process creates can be a little hard on the nose and throat. So once all the trays are filled, we'll take them out to the garage where we have the dehydrator ready to go. By the way, I'm not in mourning. The armband is to protect my recently acquired tattoo from the sun. We'll set it to 125 degrees Fahrenheit, about 52 degrees Celsius, and leave it on overnight to do its work. The next morning, they're all done. We keep the dehydrated peppers in tightly sealed glass jars. When we want to use some on pizza or something we're cooking, we'll grind a few up using a mortar and pestle. If you need a fine powder, you can use an electric spice grinder.
That's it for this episode. You may have seen last week's video where I got this 7-Pot Club tattoo. The tattoo is healing nicely and looking great. Thanks for all the tattoo love. Follow our daily updates on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Please subscribe to our channel and tap the bell to receive notifications. Next week, I'm going to feature my favorite varieties from this year's hot pepper crop. There's a new video every week throughout the growing season, and you won't want to miss an episode. For 7 Pot Club, I'm Rob.